Mbitika cia European Tour cia muthako wa golf na iria nene muno bururi wa Kenya wanakorwo gitafanirio irambiriria muthi wa rucio kuria athaki a professionals na amateurs magakorwo makirika kiharo hamwe mbere ya ngucanio ici kuhurwo mwaki muthi wa aramithi. Amwe a athaki a gikiro gia professionals na aria marekite ukinya guku bururi-ini ni hamwe na Thomas Bion uria ria muthia athakire guku bururi-ini miaka 24 mithiru na Hayden Potters wa bururi wa South Africa na uria wahotanire mwaka wa 2015 mbitikaini ici cia Kenya Open.
When you come to a golf course like this, it's tight, it's small greens, it's more of old style golf. You know, when you're an older guy, you get a little bit of a smile on your face because you think, well, if you do the right things and you get going in the right sort of way, these are the type of golf courses you have a chance on. You know, you don't need to hit it.
A very old school Parkview type of golf course, a golf course that, I grew up playing on, the same sort of setup. As I said, same grasses, small greens, so I think approach play will be very, very important for this week.
Na kuorigini ya Kenya Premier League, AFC Leopards magakorwo magicaria pointi makiria muthi wa rucio kiaro-ini kia Buhungu kaunti-ini ya Kakamega riria makanyita ugeni Sofapaka. Kariobangi Sharks nao manyite ugani wana Sukari Nzoia Sugar kiaro-ini gia Kasarani thaa kenda na muthia Western Stima mathimane hinya na Chemelil Sugar aria ni akeri kuma na thi murugamo-ini wa rigi ya Kenya Premier League kiaro-ini kia Moi Stadium Kisumu. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.